Okay, so this is the Revelation 2 high-end water ionizer from EOS High-Tech. This is a 9-plate ionizer with a double filtration. The box is under the sink with a double filter, 16 layers. So it's one of the best on the market right now. You plug it with a diverter on the cold tap water with its own valve that you can adjust the water flow. So this is plugged. And the two pipes going up is going to the faucet that comes with the ionizer. So this is the alkaline coming out and this is the acidic coming out when you're asking for water for drinking. So there's 4 alkaline level with the same colors as the pH chart, so from light blue to purple. So the first level, this is on rotation, 4 level on rotation on the same switch. This is alkaline switch, and this is the acidic switch when you're asking for acidic water, and this is pure water for when you're eating your meal. So the alkaline for drinking, you press alkaline and you choose the pH level that you want. So the first one is 8.5 light blue, 9.5 dark blue, and purple pH 10. With this ionizer, you choose your alkaline water. So for drinking like 9, and you keep your finger a little bit longer on the on and off switch in the middle to start the machine. And now you have your water, alkaline here and the acidic out, though this is the waste, acidic out. Acidic out, you can use it for the outside of your body, no problem. When you finish filling your glass, you keep your finger for half a second on the on and off switch, and it stops. After it stops, it's gonna restart by itself for 3 second cleanup with the reverse current on the plate. So the acidic is coming out right now for 3 seconds. This is for cleaning the plates inside the electrolysis chamber. So you have 4 alkaline level, and for a good detox of the body, you need like 6 glasses a day at pH 9 or 9.5. Listen to your body. Every person is different. You have to listen to your body. You have 4 acidic level, 2 green yellow, 6 5.5, and 2 red. This is strong acidic. When you press acidic strong and you press on, acidic water in 4 step because we ask for the strongest one. The acidic is coming out here and you hear a song. This is a warning for not drinking. Never drink when the screen is yellow, green, or red. So this is the pure water. When you stop it, it's gonna come back to alkaline mode for safety for the next person. Okay, if you're eating a meal, you cannot drink alkaline water when eating a meal, so you need pure water. Oh, this is the 3 seconds cleanup that we just used the ionizer. We're gonna wait that it stops. Now for pure water, you choose pure, so the green color is like the pH of the city tap water. Same thing, around 7. It's the same colors as the pH chart, 7, like this. So when you're eating or take medication, you need pure water. So it's only filtered water, but no electricity on the plates for ionization. You press on for half a second and you have your pure water. Again, if you close it, it's gonna come back to alkaline mode for the next person. Like this.